Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Inkscape tutorials, how to add notes. Okay, for example, I will create simple sketch with these tools. Bezier. I will draw stuff from this point, so we draw like polylines. Right click to apply. Now, if you want to add notes into this sketch, you can use these tools. Edit paths by notes. Click, and you can add like in this point. You can double click, it will be automatically create notes. Then move for this note. Okay, double click again in here to create notes. Then double click, it will be add notes. Very easy to add notes in this Inkscape. Now, if you delete like in here, select and delete, it will be automatically create for the cube. Then change the cube. Okay, I will delete again in here. Select, delete, and it create. You also can add notes in this cube. You can double click. It will be create. Okay, like this. Okay, that's it. So to add notes in Inkscape. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.